Welcome to Parc Olympia, a District 17 condominium with 486 units TOP in 2015, sitting on a huge land size of 322 square feet. Let's check out the unit. Once again, today I'm very excited to show you a very well-sized two-bedder at 797 square feet at Parc Olympia. Let's check it out. Unlike most of the two-bedders in this development, actually the owners spent quite a lot of money on renovation. You can see that the dining table itself is done up for you nicely with a very nice marble design, and this dining area is also very well-sized for your dining needs. The living area is also very large. You can see the wall-to-wall distance is about 3 meters and good enough for you to fit a 3-seater sofa or even a 4-seater sofa. Check out this huge marble feature wall design with lots of cabinet space, and at the side and as well as over here, you can see that the owners have spent up a lot of money and effort to do up this space nicely. The balcony is also very good size. The owners has done up the tiles nicely. Zip track has also been done. And check out the pool view. Imagine sitting here having a coffee and enjoying the pool view over there. Here we are at a very well-sized enclosed kitchen with a window for ventilation. And you can see that the cabinets has been done up on both sides of the kitchen. And it is very rare for a two-bedder of this size to have an enclosed kitchen with a window. A very good size common bedroom. You can fit a queen-size bed here. Cabinets all done up by the developer and also by the owner. The wallpaper has also been done up nicely. And check out these full height windows where you can enjoy the pool view. A good size common bathroom and of course windows for natural ventilation, which is very rare for a two-bedder nowadays. A very good size master bedroom where you can fit up to a queen size bed with 2 side table or even a king size bed. A full height cabinet has also been done up, and check out that full height window as well, giving you that nice pool view. A very good size master bathroom as well. You can see the design is very nicely done up by the developer, and again windows for natural ventilation. Check out this nice kids wading pool with even a slide. With a huge land size of 322,000 square feet, you get lots of amenities. You have a gym, you have your 3 pools, you have barbecue pits, futsal court, tennis court, and even a basketball court. Want to own this super sizable 797 square feet two-bedder with enclosed kitchen, window ventilation for your bathroom and the kitchen, and also very good sized bedrooms? Contact me, Martin from Property Partners today and arrange your exclusive viewing.